Manchester United's FA Cup journey this season starts here. Last season's cup run ended in the best possible way, lifting the trophy high at Wembley back in May. But as third round ties go, this is about as tough as it gets. United players know it's the sort of tie you're likely to have to win at one stage or another if you want to retain the trophy. Manchester United with a scintillating breakaway goal. Nicely done. Oh, it's found its way through to Martinelli here. Arsenal lead. Or do they? Had it. Now they're flying in and he's on a yellow card. A challenge that was ill-advised at best. Hoyland as well. And Manchester United might be a goal up. Was he given a shove? Man down at the Emirates. He thinks so. The numbers in Manchester United's favour by India. And it's Bruno! Gets something on it. It's in. They found a way through. And finding the ball through for Havertz, who's down. Penalty. And Altay by India steps forward for Manchester United. A fine penalty save. Odegaard again trying to lift it over. It's there for Arsenal. It was Declan Rice and Altay by India to Manchester United's rescue. Odegaard. Another one of his clipped passes in, and Havertz is there. Jorginho, that's a lovely ball. Denied from so close in. And by India gets a hand to it and claws it away.
Big hand to that ball, right in the corner it was as well. Bayindir has guessed right and gone the right way, and it's a fantastic save again.
Joshua Zirkzee can send Manchester United through, and he has done!
Wow.
What a penalty under pressure. What a victory for Manchester United. Down to 10 men, but through to round 4 of the FA Cup. A fantastic win, celebrated hugely by those in the stands and those on the field as well. 5 penalties from 5 sees Manchester United through. A headline win at the Emirates and a place in round 4 of the FA Cup. 1-1 after 90 minutes and extra time. Manchester United win by 5-3 from the spot.